Oh, gas provider, shit soils. Go! 721, gas provider for all the farts. If you guys have to fire in the video, I highly recommend it.
Ah, safety no blitz.
Safety no blitz. Oh my fucking god. One finger.
Ah. Oh, my finger. Ah, safety no blitz.
Oh, John just wasn't pooped a little bit. Oh, go all over their faces and shit soils.
On that note,
You pull my finger. Gas provider, that one's for you. Oh god, that's gonna be mac and cheese and meat.
That's disgusting. I'm gonna hold my breath.
And this is a fart. That was the best one yet!
Damn.
That was the best fart yet! Malt liquor. Oh. Hey, gas provider, pull my finger. Nope. That was one little dab. If I went to try to... If I was gonna try to fart more than that, I'd probably shit myself. We know how that goes. No, that one was poop. Pull my finger, man.
no issue.
Oh! Gas provider.
Pull my finger.
Yeah! Oh, man. Oh, it's so bad. And shit soils. Gas provider! Oh. Oh. I spit and fart at the same time. Gas provider.
Shout out to Zach, dude. I swear to fuck.
Shout out to gas provider. God. Oh, gas provider. Yeah. Oh, shout out to gas provider. Shout out to gas provider. And a little FART. Hey mom, you want to hear a fart? Ah, that was for mom. I peed a little. Gas provider.
Oh man. Oh.
I got a 12 to 6 shift tonight.
Nice fart.
Thank you.
No, I didn't watch the whole thing, but I saw like
He didn't finish his 40.
5 seconds.
Shout out to gas provider.
Was it Tony Danza?
It was Tony Danza. Oh, poopy. Yeah! Flatulent one tonight, folks. Here's one for the camera. Cheers. Oh, wow. There's a fart for you, folks. Happy birthday, shit soils.
Not even close, dude.
You got through it.
I'm like right fucking there, bro.
Doesn't matter, it's a fart! It's a fart! Should I say number 2? Ooh, it was a low toner, but it happened. Oh. Oh man, if only you were here to smell this eggy beef. Oh.
Fucking pussy ass nigga.
Shout out to Gasper.
Well then, maybe I'll just fucking walk.
And this is an empty ass.
Oh my
Malt
God,
fucking liquor. Farts. Classy fart. Oh, malt liquor. Taking dumps. Ooh, woo. Chip soils. Side. Gas provider, that one was for you, bro. Knock, knock. Who's there? That's who's there, motherfucker. Part 2.
It's long, so. Gas provider, there you go, buddy. Take note.
Oh, man. Farts. Whoa. Farts. Knock, knock. Who's there? Me. Ooh. Ooh, I feel poop coming. Gas provider, don't make me fart anymore. I might shit myself. These are pathetic farts. These are tiny wimpy farts. I need them big bombers. I need those gaseous gases. This one's for you, buddy. Whoa. Owner of a lonely butt. Gas provider. That one's for you. Ooh, shout out to gas provider for that fart. Gas provider. Ooh.
I hope you drove home from that one.
I didn't have my license or a car back then. Good
Oh,
save.
nice.
You
You
got.
gotta tell me to like mute the song when you're gonna make a good fart.
That's okay. Gas provider's got plenty. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Gas provider. But it all makes up for it in malt liquor. Gas provider. Oh, I just shit myself. Oh, gas provider. There's some stinky farts tonight, folks. Some stinky ones. I think I might take that trip up to New York and lay a couple farts on you, man. Man, if I fart one more time, I'm gonna poop myself, YouTube. It's gonna happen. Whoa, that was a burp fart, a barp.
I haven't gone in trouble.
Shout out to gas provider.
Shout out to gas providers. I just farted
You just
on.
talked over my fart. Now nobody's gonna hear
Yeah,
it.
well, I
There
farted.
better be plenty more.
I farted over you. I farted on you. Where's your eye?
Fucking spot. Gas provider. Cheers. Malt liquor.
What was I gonna say?
This. Oh, shout out to nut shots and farts to get. Man, I'm a gassy one today, folks. Gas provider. Here's another one by Mozes Loves69. Cheers. That one's gonna smell. Had a BK burger on the way here. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I'm trying not to be mature, but
Shit, on my
gas
whole plate.
farts. Yes, happy April Fools to you guys. Shout out to the Hardys. Oh, Mozes Loves69 is
Wonderful.
gassy. Yep, they're probably using the ladder right now. Hold on. Oh, Jesus. Gas provider, rugby. Drink that forward. I farted on his face. I farted on his fucking face. Malt liquor. I get malt, liquor, and farts.